Ashlyn Carter. Welcome back to my channel today. My house feels suddenly very bare, very boring. I'm missing all of our fresh greenery and wreaths, and so I thought it would be fun to bring back in a little bit of greenery today and make this. This is a faux wintry wreath that you can keep all year long because it is fake, and I think it is beautiful, and this is gonna add a fun touch of color to my house. All of these items I have bought at Hobby Lobby, so this is the first item I bought on sale. It is about an 8-inch base, and I liked the sage, just the lightness of this color. But if you take a look at it closely, it does look rather faux fake, which is totally fine. I think this would look pretty just hanging up. But in order to really just make this pop more and look a little bit more real and vibrant, I thought I would spruce it up. I also picked up this green fern. I liked this color. I think it is a little bit more realistic looking. And then I bought this stem of cotton. It was $6.99. I can't remember if it was on sale or not, but again, they always have sales. You're also going to need a glue gun, a couple glue sticks, some scissors, and I picked up some command hooks at Home Depot because I'm contemplating hanging it above our kitchen sink on our window. So that's what we got to work with. Let's get started on the wreath. I'm going to start here by cutting all the tags off all of our things. We have a fresh start here. And what I want to do is I want to incorporate this green fern into the base of the wreath here. So I'm going to just simply start by cutting. You can use regular scissors, you can use wire trimmers. I'm just gonna start cutting a bunch of sprigs of the fern and setting it aside here because I'm going to be gluing this within this sage green. And now I'm going to separate the cotton a little bit. You can use cotton, you can use another faux flower if you'd like, something white. It goes with the winter idea. Or you don't even have to use cotton if you'd rather just keep it simple. Just used a couple different greenery. Now that I've got that all ready, we're gonna start by placing all the greenery first within here, and then we'll accent with the cotton. So you're gonna take your glue gun and you are going to just grab a piece of your fern, and I'm just going to place a little bit of glue on the tip of this. So if you look at the wreath, you'll see all of this greenery is kind of going the same direction. So I'm gonna take the fern and place it within going the same direction. I'm gonna try to get it down to the base. Just gonna slowly start placing the fern. So about halfway through, you can see down here, it's just all monochromatic, where up here we're adding more dimension, and I think it makes both colors pop and stand out more. Okay, so when you feel like you have your wreath in a good spot, it's good to just hold it up, look for any kind of wonky pieces that are falling away. You might need to tuck them in a little bit. So I feel satisfied. I like my wreath where it's at. I love this as is, but because I have the cotton and I like the cotton, it kind of adds a wintry, farmhousey touch. I'm going to add just 3 pieces of cotton to one of the corners to kind of center it and give it a little accent flare. And then I'm gonna hang it up. And like I mentioned, you can totally leave this plain. You can add pine cones, you can add other faux florals, whatever you prefer, but I liked the cotton. I thought it was cute, different. This is kind of how I envision the wreath hanging this way. Let's hang it up.